What's up? I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to do what's on my Samsung Galaxy A70. Yes, I'm still rocking the Samsung Galaxy A70 and I'm liking it. So let's get started. So first, start off with the lock screen. I am using the regular Samsung One UI lock screen for right now. I could have did the good lock screen, but I didn't want to, so I went to this one. And as you can see, I have me a little wallpaper. It says Yeezy, and I thought it looked dope, so I wanted to throw it on there. So at the top here, I have me a widget with all my events that are coming up. And I'm running Nova Launcher. Let me show you how my Nova Launcher is set up. So I have 6x6. And my icon layout is 115. My padding is none. I only have 5 docks. 5 icons in my docks. That's how I like to keep it. I have my app drawer is 6x5. I have no folders. The look and feel, I am using the One UI dark icon pack. Sorry about that. The One UI dark icon pack. I have notification badges to match the color to match my wallpaper. I'm also running Hex Installer, and I designed the theme myself. The color myself, so I have the color to match the home screen because that's how I like everything to be. So my notifications when I get them come in in pink. Okay, so there's nothing else on my page except for the search bar. I have my 5 icons at the bottom, which is my contacts, my phone dialer, my gallery, my settings, and my messaging app. So if you swipe up, then here's where all of my other apps are that I don't want to put on my home screen because I don't want it cluttered. So you have Facebook, YouTube, I have Twitter, I have my Instagram, Agenda. This is that app that I'm using for my events. I have Amazon Alexa. I have Amazon Shop, the Amazon store. I have APK Mirror. I have Aptoid. I have B&H Photos. I have Best Buy. I have the Bible app. You gotta always have the Bible app in your life and on every device. I have blur wallpaper. That is why my wallpaper looks cool. It looks a little blurred out. I don't know how well you can see that, but yes, it's blurred because of the blur wallpaper app. Of course, my calculator, my calendar, my camera. I have Canva. I have Cash App. I have Chrome, Google Chrome. I have my clock. I have copy my data. So say you get a new device or you get it. So yeah, say you get a new device. You can copy all the data from your old device to your new device and you're good to go. I have creative. I have the custom One UI theme store. That comes on all the Samsung devices with One UI. I have Disney Plus. I have DJI Go because I have a gimbal. I have Domino's Pizza. I have Dope Walls. I have Google Drive. I have Dropbox. I have eBay. I have my email. And the only reason why this is one email app is because I have all my emails linked to this one app and I love it. That way I don't have to have Yahoo. I don't have to have Gmail. It's all one. It's all in here. So I have Evernote. I have Facebook. I have Files. Well, this is a different Files app. I have Filmic Pro. I have FineLock, Galaxy Labs. I have the Galaxy Store, the Galaxy Wearable, which is for the Galaxy Watch app because I have a Galaxy Active Watch. I have Google, the regular Google. I have GoodLock. I have GoPuff. I have InShot. I already said Instagram. I have the internet, Samsung internet, KineMaster, the layout. This is for Emma. This works with Instagram. I have Legend. I have Line Player, Messenger for Facebook, my files that come with all Samsung devices, OneDrive. There's that one dark UI that you are currently looking at right now, icon pack. I have open camera. I gotta have Pandora. I have my PayPal, Fonto, Google Photos, PixArt, Pinterest, PixLabs, Play Store, PSCC, which is Adobe Photoshop Touch. If I want to edit some stuff, some pictures. I have Puffin. I have my reminders. I have an app called Rewards. I have Samsung Health. I have Samsung Max, Samsung Notes, Screen Recorder, Shop Samsung, Snapseed, the Stars app. I have Target, Telegram X. There goes the theme park. I have TubeBuddy, Twitter, USPS Mobile. I have Voice Search. I have, what is that? It's another, I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to try it because I don't want to mess up. This is another app to get wallpapers off of. I have Wallpaper Saver. I have Walmart. I have Word, XDA Labs. I have YouTube Studio, Zedge, Hex, and Hex Installer. And currently, these are all the apps that I'm using on my device as of right now. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.